Hi, my name's Jeanette and I'm from Far Forest Ceramics. I'm a UK potter and I am not in my home studio today. I'm actually in Canada on vacation, visiting my son and his wife with the family. We're having an amazing time and we went out shopping today, and across the road I saw Dollarama. Well, it reminded me very much of the dollar hauls Dollar Tree hauls that most of the American potters do, and I've been feeling a little bit left out. So, oh, that's a dog barking on the beach. So I saw this store and I said, please, can we go in? They're going, why? I want to get some pottery stuff. They're going, it's Dollarama. I said, that'll do. I just want to go and get some inspiration. So I went in and I had a little haul. And oh my goodness me, I got some great stuff. I've actually got 4 things. I've just got 4 things quickly to show you. So the first thing I went and got was this bowl. Why did I get this bowl? Well, first of all, this bowl was $1.50 Canadian dollars. So in sterling, that is 80 pence. So I liked the shape of the form. Yes, I can throw a bowl on the wheel. However, this, I don't know if you can see, it has got fabulous texture on it. Now the texture is all on the outside. There is no foot on it whatsoever. The inside is completely smooth. So yes, I can do you know, a slump mould on the inside, but I fancied doing a drape mould over the top, pressing into this texture, which would be the texture on the inside of the bowl. So that was my first one for 80p. I'll try that when I get home. My second one I got, I don't even know if I can get this in shot. This beautiful, it's plastic, and can you see again, it's got the most glorious texture on it. This was $5 expensive. £2.66 in sterling, but again the texture is all on the outside. There is no foot on it whatsoever and smooth on the inside. So I want to use this as a drape mould, and I could do a shallow one sort of like to here, or I could go further down and use this scallop edge on it. I don't know how much that texture is going to show because I think it's reflection that's showing more. But either way, that's a pretty cool drape mould to have of that shape, inside or outside. So I'm liking that one. Two more. Now another one, I've gone for this shape type of platter. And this was $5, £2.66, but I liked this platter because it has a little bit of texture in it. So it's not completely smooth. And I just liked the shape and the angle, and I thought, you know what? I'd like to do this because it's actually got, you might see it on the back a little bit more, it goes up and then it's got a flat bit. But I liked this design on it. I thought that was really nice. And I'm thinking that this could actually have some little bowls on it, or a bowl at one end, and you've got room for your chips on the other. So a little bit like a chip and dip. I might even add a foot for a bowl to sit in, I don't know. But I thought that was quite useful. But my last find, well, this was $4.75, £2.53. And my husband said to me, why are you buying that for pottery? And I don't know if it's going to work, but I could see something. So this is what I've bought. It is cookware protection to put in between your frying pans when you store them. I don't want to use it for that. This is what I've got. Can you see the texture in this? It's not texture, it's holes, but it's like a felt. And this felt, I don't even know if you can see the thickness of it. It is about 3mm thick. So I am hoping I can put that into clay, roll that into clay, and then that could actually go in a bowl quite nicely. Now, I could potentially hand build and join it all together like that. But I'm not a hand builder, so I don't think that's me. But I think that could be nice on the inside of a bowl or on the outside of a bowl. And what's better, there's 3 sizes. 1, 2, and even bigger, 3. 3 sizes of them. I like this. I'm thinking that could also work nicely on the inside of this one as texture. Maybe maybe texture, and then maybe air pen in between. So anyway, I've done my dollar challenge. I just spent more than $1. I didn't spend much altogether at all, but I just wanted to have a play and do what the rest of you do and go to a dollar store or Dollarama and have a play and choose and get some textures. So really enjoyed that. I'm actually sitting on the boat because I tried to see where I could film this, and our granddaughters are having fun running around. They're age 3 and 6. We're cooking tea, and I thought, oh, where can I find a quiet spot? I felt subconscious filming this with the family watching, but I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to go down the garden, go onto the dock and sit on the boat. If I'm wobbling a bit, that's why. Stunning location here on the lake. We're going out for a sunset cruise again a little bit this evening, but yeah, just wanted to share that with you, and hopefully I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.